but this one is called Control Center. So swipe down from the top right. And another difference on the iPhone is it puts things in groups. So here's this whole group here is all of my communications tools. I like that. If I just tap on that group, it expands. So you can really see what's going on. So there's Wi-Fi, there's cellular data. And you can turn them on, turn them off, and go back to your other settings. If you want to move something up, like let's say this AA, that means change the text size on your screen. I never use that. I want to get rid of it. The way you edit this screen on the iPhone is this little plus up here. Really tiny, and you have to touch and hold on it until you get those minuses. So I can tap the minus, that one goes away. If I want to move one, this is voice memo, let's say I want to use that a lot, I can move it up to a higher position, you just drag. If you want to add something, it's add a control. And there's a lot of them. You know, spend some time just looking. There might be, you might see something that you say, oh, I would love to have that available easily. And here's the ChatGPT, I just tap it. It is now in my control center. If I swipe up, I'm now done editing my control center. Now when I swipe down from the top right, I will see the new stuff that I did to my control center. So that's customizing your control center on an iPhone. You can move icons around, remove them, and add more.